This is so tired, pup. Some size, some leans, some circles, and some collapse. Yeah. Yeah. So tired. You wanna go for peas? How about some peas? No, just power moves? No peas? No peas? Okay. Well, we have to go outside. You can come back in and sleep after. Or you can go back into your crate.